Okay, so good day again. So last time we discussed about the test of hypothesis, but we just use the level of the z-value to determine if we can reject the hypothesis or not. But here we will be using p-values. Okay, p-values um, to accept or reject the null hypothesis. Okay, so this is these values from here. Okay, this is the sample from our past activity. Okay, we have 2 4 as a population mean. Okay, so this is our target population mean. Okay, and the sample mean here is this is the sample from the population. Okay, so we can also uh, we can also want the population mean to be called the target mean. Okay, for example, in the manufacturing, some engineers they wanted to perfect a correct measure like 2 meters, no, so they wanted a mean of 2 meters for a specific um, for a specific uh, what do you call this, for a specific measure of a parts, let's say a parts of a car. Okay, so here we have some sample mean, and we have the, yeah, we literally don't change all of the values. Okay, and we arrive using this computation at 2.12. Okay, computation is here. Okay, so that's the computation. Okay, so now how do we compute for the p-value? So p-value is go straight. Okay, so it's we need to find first the z-value here. This is the z-value table. Okay, we will find here the 2.12. Okay, so 2.12 is 2.1, and then we'll look for the 2 here. Since this is 2.12, this is the second decimal is 2. Okay, and 2.1. Okay, so it's 0.4830. 0.4830. So this is the value. This is the value of the from the distribution. Okay, from the table. Okay, for 2.12. Okay, so how do we find out the p-value? Okay, p-value is just 0.5 less than the value of the z. Okay, the z equivalent value. Okay, so it's 1.7, the 1.7%. Okay, we can convert that one into a decimal, so it's 0.02, or you can convert that one. So if you're using a 95% level of confidence, okay, we will reject the null hypothesis. Why? Because this 1.7% is less than. Okay, so we will decide. Okay, 95% confidence level 5 does not meet expectations. Okay, because 5%. Okay, so that's how to do it. So you might be wondering, okay, how did they come up with this? Okay, so let's explain. Okay, so this one here is the z table, the normal curve table, and we can see from here this is a z um, this is the z table. Okay, this is the normal distribution table. Okay, so we landed here 2.12 ano, and we use 95%. Since we use 95%, then we will reject the null hypothesis and then accept that the pipe meets expectations. Okay, so what else? Y 0.5 again. Okay, so have your 0.5 and minus the value from here. So 0.5, okay, so this one here is equals to 1. Okay, and if we divide that one, this one from the top here to the top here, from the end to end, okay, it's equals to 1. Okay, remember the angle. Okay, so all in all, this one here is zero point 0.5 and this one here is 0.5. Okay, so we're just using the fixed value of zero point 0.5 to find out, okay, if it's lower or greater than 5%. Okay, so that's how easy it is to find to determine a p-value. Okay, it's not so complicated. Okay, so what else should I discuss? Okay, I think I've also already have discussed on the p-values. Okay, so I'll see you again on my next video. Thank you.